Hello, welcome on Ladder. I'm Snehal. Today's video is about how to take input from user. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So Python has inbuilt function called input. The syntax of function is input and parenthesis. If you use this function, Python will allow you to accept input via keyboard. You have to store that user entered input in a variable. The only thing you have to take care of is type of the variable you entered using input will be string. So let's run this code. See, you will see nothing on the screen. It is waiting for you to enter the input. If I enter 45 here and after that press enter from the keyboard, otherwise it will not complete your process. See, and class of the 45 will be string. We can see one more example to clear this. Here I have prompt a message so that it will be easy for the user to see when it is waiting for user to enter the input. So I have entered a string inside the user function input function. Enter the input. You can enter anything which is informative. And if I run this code, so enter the input, and now this is waiting for us to enter. If I enter hello world,